Tuberose plant is an easy-to-grow plant and can be propagated very easily. In this video, we will discuss about tuberose propagation in details, including right season, requirements, method to propagate and also how we can get more baby plants on tuberose to divide. So let's start, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates. The most important thing for the propagation of tuberose plant is to have a healthy plant with such type of multiple pups or baby plants, because we are going to divide them as our separate tuberose plants. You can grow such type of pups on tuberose also. I will show you some tips and tricks for getting more pups on tuberose plant at the end of the video. The another point is to be right season, as tuberose plant is a summer's flowering plant and became dormant in winter days. Therefore you should propagate them in their growing season. It will be great if you propagate them in the rainy days. In winters, their roots are under stress and you wouldn't find any good results. Starting spring days also works great to propagate tuberose plant. So now let's know how we can propagate them. First, make a good soil mix for tuberose plant and a pot. For that, you can use a well-draining loose soil mix. A ready-to-use potting mix is added in the description box. You can check out that. Otherwise, any mixture works well. It's time to take out our tuberose plant. You have to get the root bowl out of the pot very carefully. Try to save the roots as much as you can, as the roots have been stuck with the walls of our older pot, therefore it's hard to get them out. So you can use a blade or any tool to separate them from the walls of pot. Now here is our tuberose plant with lots of roots. You can use any tool to remove some soil and get the roots visible, as all of these baby tuberose plants are connected with one another, therefore we have to break up them one by one. Do it very carefully. Make sure our new tuberose plant must get some roots with it. So this is our new tuberose plant that will now grow on its own. A detailed article on tuberose propagation is also added in the description box. You can check out that. Now, put this baby plant in the soil mix and cover its roots completely. Slightly hit the pot with the ground to remove any air gaps. Now you have to water this plant frequently. Make sure soil is getting moist, but do not make it wet. For some days, try to place this plant in a semi-shaded area, away from direct sunlight. This will help to recover faster. In the same way, you can divide other tuberose plants and grow them separately. After a few days, they will start their growth again and bloom as well. As it starts its growth back, you can add a fertilizer to boost its growth and blooming again. And also if you want to get more baby plants growing around your tuberose plant, then again a good fertilizer plays big role. You can use cow dung compost or mustard cake as well. But a phosphorus-enriched fertilizer like rock phosphate or bone meal powder works far better to get more pups on them. These fertilizers are also added in the description box to buy. Simply keeps on adding a tablespoon of rock phosphate in its soil mix every 10 to 15 days for quality results. And also the tuberose plant is a tuber plant. Adding moisture overly can cause a stunted growth and rotting of its tubers. Therefore also use a well-draining soil mix to grow them healthily. This will definitely gives you better growth and more pups on them. For any question, leave a comment below. For a detailed guide on tuberose care, you can check out this video as well. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.